Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to assemble this Billy bookcase from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, and a pencil. If you want to speed up the assembly process, then you can use a drill with a Phillips or posi drive bit. I would also like to add that you will need a drill and a drill bit if you want to secure this bookcase to your wall. So the first step is to grab these 3 panels and 12 dowels. Then hammer the 12 dowels into these 12 holes. Now grab these 2 side panels and put them into this orientation. Also grab 8 of these screws and screw them into these 8 holes. Next, connect all 3 panels like this. Just make sure the middle panel has the finished edge located here. To emphasize, I slid my finger along the finished edge. Then grab 4 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Now connect the other side panel like this. Next, grab 4 more cam lock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Then flip the bookcase frame like this so the unfinished edges are facing up. Now grab the backing and put it in this orientation. Just make sure these semicircle cutouts are at the top, then slide the backing in like this. Next, grab 4 nails and hammer them into these 4 spots along the bottom. Then place the bookcase against your intended wall. So these next steps will demonstrate how to secure this bookcase to the wall. Before you start, I'd like to point out that IKEA doesn't give you any wall screws and wall anchors, so you'll have to buy your own. The first step is to grab a pencil and trace a straight line on the wall. The line will follow the flat part of the semicircle cutout. Then move the bookcase over and grab 2 brackets. Now place both brackets underneath the line you just created and mark a midpoint with your pencil. Now grab a drill and a bit to make 2 holes. You'll be drilling the holes where your midpoints are marked with your pencil. Just make sure you have the right size drill bit for your wall anchors. Then hammer the wall anchors into the 2 holes you just made. Now grab 2 brackets, 2 screws, and 2 washers. Then put the washer through the screw and secure the bracket. Do the same thing for the other bracket as well. Then put your bookcase back against the wall. The brackets will go through the semicircle openings. Next, grab 2 of these screws and 2 washers. Then put the washer through the screw and secure the underside of the bracket to the bookcase. Do the same thing for the other bracket as well. Then grab 8 shelf pins and insert them as shown. You can obviously insert them anywhere you want, but if you're following the instructions, it will look like this. Now grab both shelves and place them onto the shelf pins like this. So now you have a fully assembled Billy Bookcase from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.